In the next episode, Tuma will become the target of a mystery blackmailer who possesses unseen footage from the explosion. The video will show Tuma waking after the blast and calling Aras' brother, losing consciousness. The blackmailer will try to release the footage unless Tuman steals a document from Hakan's private safe. Tuman will be terrified not because the video will embarrass him, but because it proves his mind recognizes Aras because before his consciousness adapted any connection, he will decide to be without telling Aras or Dennis at the Kaya house. He will pretend to apologize to Hakan and ask for another chance to repair the relationship. Hakan decided to keep the family together. Will lawyer his guard. Tuma will enter the study at night and open the safe using a code he remembered from childhood. Inside, he will find business paper, passport, and a sealed envelope marked with the date of the old accident. The blackmailer has instructed him to take only a property debt, but Tuman will secretly keep the envelope as well. Before he can leave, Layla will coach him. He will come. She will think he's merely reckless. Layla will not believe him. She will tell him go because she sensed genuine fear. The next morning, Tuma will deliver the death at a deserted marina. Instead of showing his face, the blackmailer will send a Tangy girl to connect to Tuma will follow her and discover she is Sarhad's daughter. Nobody knows existed. The girl will explain that Sarhad promised to return after meeting Aras but disappeared. She believes Hakan captured him and say that identify a remote house where he may held. Tuman will realize he has not been blackmailed for money. He has been manipulated into finding Sarhad angry but curious. He will bring Aras to the address. Their search of the house will reveal no prison, only wall covered with timeless photographs and notes about the Kaya family. One page will describe Tuman as the witness who remembers in fragments, another will describe Aras as the brother who must never learn what happened after the rescue. Aras will demand answer, but her daughter will insist she only found the room recently and does not know who created it. Inside the sealed envelope, Tuman will discover a handwritten statement signed by Hakan. It say Hakan saw two children removed from the accident site in different vehicles, contracted everything he has told the family.